Welcome to Device Help Support, your ultimate destination for everything related to device setup, troubleshooting, and optimizing your tech experiences. Subscribe to our YouTube channel for more videos related to setup, troubleshooting, and unboxing. And don't forget to press the bell icon so you don't miss our latest videos. In today's video we will discuss how to set up DARTWOOD Wireless Mesh Wi-Fi Extender using the WPS push button. This is the easiest method to set up the extender within 2 minutes without any username or password. If you're looking for the best extender that gives you the perfect Wi-Fi range coverage, then this video is specially made up for you. So without wasting any time, let's start the setup process. I hope in the end, this video will prove helpful for you. In the first step, plug the DARTWOOD extender into a wall outlet close to your router. Wait for the power LED to become solid. Allow about 30 to 60 seconds for the extender to boot completely. Do not begin the setup until the LED stops blinking normally.
Now look at your Wi-Fi router and find the WPS button. The button may be labeled as WPS, WPS/reset or have a 2 circular arrows icon. Press the WPS button on the router once. After pressing it, the WPS light on the router will start blinking, which means the router is ready to connect new devices.
In the first step, plug the DARTWOOD extender into a wall outlet close to your router. Wait for the power LED to become solid. Allow about 30 to 60 seconds for the extender to boot completely. Do not begin the setup until the LED stops blinking normally. Allow 1 to 3 minutes for pairing. A successful setup is usually indicated when the WPS LED becomes solid. The WLAN/signal LED remains solid. Once pairing is complete, unplug the extender. Move it halfway between your router or the room with weak or no Wi-Fi. Now the step is complete. I hope this video will prove helpful for you. If you're stuck in middle of the process, then don't worry. Contact our professional experts at 1-323-507-3713. They will solve your problem as soon as possible. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Devices Help and Support. And also stay tuned for the more updates.